Hi everyone, so I'm going to be talking you through my at-home pamper routine. So what I typically like to do is slather my hair with coconut oil an hour before I shower and just massage it in the roots for a few minutes. Or at night, I sometimes like to spray this Kerastase Overnight Revitalising treatment all over my hair and the next morning just rinse it out. Then I like to dry brush my skin. This one I got from Boots. It's from the Botanics brand. So you'd want to put this on dry skin. You want to brush going towards your heart, so start from the feet to the legs up, and then when you get to the arms, same thing, go up. Dry brushing is good for exfoliating the skin as well as promoting lymph drainage and increasing blood flow. Then I pop in the shower and do my usual routine, but then when I want to go the extra mile, then I use the Spin for Perfect Skin set, which includes the cleaning brush, body brush, exfoliating brush, and pumice stone. I like to interchange the brush with the Harrington Advanced Glycolic Body Scrub. With this one, I only use once a week. When I'm in the shower, I like to use this Soap & Glory hand scrub for my feet. And then I just go in with a pumice stone, or I just use an ordinary foot file. Then I shave with coconut oil. I mean, there's so many uses for coconut oil, for the hair, for the skin, for nails. Yeah. I used to use shaving creams, but now I've just switched over to coconut oil. Makes your skin so nice and smooth. Then when I'm out of the shower, I moisturize again with, you guessed it, coconut oil. Or if not, depending on my mood really, I moisturize with the Maui body lotion. This is the, which one is this one? Shea butter one. Then when all that's done, I just go ahead and give myself a facial. So now that you're all clean from the shower, the first thing I like to do is tweeze. I just tweeze any stray hairs that I have, and my goodness, I can't wait to go back to my brow lady after quarantine is over. And then I just pop a few drops of essential oil in a bowl and I just steam my face for 15 to 20 minutes. So I've removed my makeup and I've finished steaming. So the first thing that I do is use a lip scrub. So this one's the lip scrub by Sara Happ in Creme Brulee. So and then that's done, just rinse it off. Then you're going to want to dry off your hands, because after that I go in with my first cleanser. This is the Ren Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser. Flick your hair out. Oh, I should have tied my hair. Smart. Never mind that then. So we're going to go in with the cleanser and then just rinse it off. And with this cleanser, it emulsifies, so it turns into a milky texture once water is added. So I've just rinsed that off, and now we're going to do the second cleanse. So if I'm second cleansing, then I like to use the Mer Cleansing Foam with this Foreo device. So pop that on and then just massage your face. So there's two different settings. So if you can hear, this one's a bit lower. Then if you press it off and then on again, this one's more intense. Oh, and it also stops when it tells you to go to a different area of the face. But I just freestyle with this thing. And then I like to use the back of it in between my eyebrows. Oh, yeah, did you hear that? It stopped. So go to another area, but it's okay. Then once you're done faffing about with this device, give it a quick rinse and then wash your face. Now that's all off, just dry your face. Then I like to go in with the Opatra Instant Renewal Peeling Gel. So this is what I use as an exfoliator. You're meant to use it on dry skin and leave it on for around 30 seconds. Then after 30 seconds, you go back in and start massaging your face, and then you'll see and feel all the dead skin coming off. After you've exfoliated, just wash your face. Then I'm going to pop on eye masks and a face mask. This one is the Loreal Pure Clay Glow Mask. It's the pink one. But sometimes if I'm not using that, then I'll go in with a sheet mask, depending on my mood. So I'm using the clay one today just because I feel like it's a bit more detoxifying for my skin. Now I can go and scare my brother. After your 20 minutes is up, just go ahead and take off your eye mask and your face mask. So now that's all off. Dry your face, and then we're gonna want to apply a serum or an oil. I'm going to be using the Guerlain Youth Watery Oil. How cute is the packaging? Plop, plop. It smells divine, and then you're just gonna wanna put it all over your face and your neck. Once you've pat all that oil in your skin, I grab a jade roller and just start rolling. Jade rolling is good for lymphatic drainage as well as releasing tension in the face. I like to start from my head going down, so you want to bear in mind that the drainage points are by the temples, behind the ears and at the base of the neck. So you want to be rolling towards those areas. And you also want to focus in between the brows because that's where you hold a lot of tension. I'm not looking to get the number 11 right now. And gently over the brows. Then you want to start from the nose, go into the temple. You want to snatch that jawline. And then when you get to the mouth, you want to roll up for the smile lines. Then from behind the ear, you want to take it down to the base of the neck. Then to finish everything off, I just put on some eye cream. And with eye cream, you don't want to go too close to the eye. And then I put the Laprairie Cellular Radiance Emulsion. I love the packaging for this as well. Don't forget your neck. Then I finish off with the Sleep Spa Overnight Lip Mask. My friend gave me this for my birthday. Once that's all done, I like to take the Soap & Glory hand scrub my hands, and then just do a DIY hand mask and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. I also like to put it on my feet and then wrap my hands and feet with cling film. So after 20 minutes, just go and wash your hands and your feet, and what I like to do after is do my nails. So my nail routine is rather simple. It only consists of putting on 2 layers of nail polish, a top coat, and then a nail oil. And I know that most people push and clip their cuticles, but I don't. That's all I do to my nails. And then to finish everything off, I just put a hand serum on and hand cream and foot cream, and then I'm done. So I hope you all enjoyed my at-home self-care pamper routine, and see you in my next video.